Guys, be honest with me. Have you ever seen a screensaver look as good as that? I mean, that looks like a 3D picture. Just the clarity, the detail, the HDR colors, super smooth 4K video playback. I mean, here I'm just flying over the Grand Canyon in USA. I mean, that is just mesmerizing. That quality, that detail is just phenomenal. But if I just press one button on my remote, I mean, here we're just flying over Midtown Manhattan, going towards the Empire State Building. I press one button on my Firestick, and we're now going over Buckingham Palace in London. So in this video today, let me show you how you can get these brand new 4K HDR screensavers on all of your devices, your Fire Sticks, your Android TVs. Really, any Android device can take advantage of these brand new screensavers. And I'll also show you the quickest way on your Amazon devices how you can set your default screensaver to be this one instead. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Let me just do two more, then we'll start the tutorial. Here we are on the island of Hawaii. I mean, how lush does that look? Okay, last one, then we can start. And lastly, we are now looking over Siberia and Mongolia. So really beautiful screensavers, all in HDR, 4K quality. But the benefit is with this updated version, you can even use your own video files. So if you've already downloaded some personal videos or some 4K videos, you can put them onto a USB stick and then play them through this application. And if you want to take it to the next level, if you have network attached storage like a NAS, you can also connect to that with this application and stream videos from your NAS and have them as a screensaver on your Fire Stick. So you really can see how much effort the developer has put in, and he really has put in some fantastic features with this latest update. Now to get this application, we press the home key. So the first thing we need to do is go over to settings, go to My Fire TV, go to developer options, go to install unknown apps, and make sure downloader is set to on. And this just means that we can download applications through downloader and then install them. Once you confirm that, let's now press the home key. Let's now open up downloader, and we can make a quick connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in this short code 53402. Let's type that in and click on go. Now when you get to my site, if you head over to the hamburger menu, which is one with the three lines, click on that, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this updated version of aerial views. Let's open that up. Here we are. So we can see this is the ultimate Fire Stick and Android TV screensaver manager. But if we scroll down, I've actually included a bunch of different screensavers that you can enjoy on any device. So keep scrolling down. So first we have the tdoctoruk screensaver manager, and this is only to be used on Amazon devices, and the device has to run Fire OS 6 or higher. And this will basically allow you to change your screensaver using a really nice GUI interface. So no need to type in any manual ADB commands. You can now use your screensaver manager to change your screensaver to anything that you like. And here we have the latest 2022 aerial views screensaver. There's some old ones here if you want to check them out. This one, the last one, allows you to have your photos and videos, personal videos, as a screensaver. But in this example, I'm going to install the tdoctoruk screensaver manager first. Click on that, click on download, and that's now done. And then click on aerial views and install the latest version of that, which is version 1.3. Once you've installed both, let's now press the home key and let's now start aerial views for the first time. And we can now see the options here. So the first thing we're going to do is select the video sources. Now in my example, as I have unlimited bandwidth or I don't have any data caps, I'm just going to use Apple Videos. What that basically means that every time the screensaver starts, my Fire Stick will now start streaming those videos directly from the internet and then show them on the screen. Now of course, if you have data limits or maybe your internet speed is not that good, you may want to go for the other option, which I will show you in just a second, where you can actually play videos directly from a USB drive or from the network attached storage. Now here you can also select the quality. So again, if you have issues with bandwidth, let me just leave this on 1080p HDR. That goes down to 46 gigs of data per hour. And if I turn off HDR, that goes down to 23 gig, but of course that implies that your screensaver is going to be running for an hour, and for most cases it's not. So, although I do actually like watching them. So my example, I'm going to do 1080p HDR. Let's press back. Now the other option you've got here is any videos. So if I click on this, I can say use local videos, and now I can basically specify a folder name, wherever this folder is on my USB drive, and this will then scan that folder, and any videos it finds, it will then add them into the playlist, so the next time your screensaver starts, it will use videos from that location. And you have the option of local videos, which is from a USB drive or from internal storage, and you also have network attached storage. But in my example, I'm going to turn both off. So all my content is going to be streamed from the internet. Let's go back. Let's go to interface. Now, for example, you can specify if you want to show the clock, if you want to show the title of the videos, and you can also specify if it shows you a short title, or even if you want to show a bit more information about what you're watching. So I personally go for the second one. That's fine. Let's leave the other options as defaults. You can also adjust the playback speed if you want it to play faster for whatever reason, but again, I'll leave mine as default. And you have the option here to skip to the next or previous video by just using the right and left on your D-pad. So I'll also leave that ticked. Let's leave that ticked as well. Let's now go back, and I can now actually test the screensaver settings. So if I now click on that, press the select button, and here we are over Tunisia, heading towards Italy. I'm telling you guys, you literally can just spend hours looking at these breathtaking videos from all over the world. Lots of different content, lots of different scenes, whether you're interested in nature, animals, plant life, fishes, it's all in here, honestly. And that's working great. And there's the Golden Gate Bridge from San Francisco. So that's the screensaver itself. Now on the Android TV devices, you can just go to your settings, go to your display settings, and you can then choose this screensaver. Now on the Amazon devices, we can't actually change the default screensaver without typing in some ADB commands, and this is exactly where the tdoctoruk screensaver manager comes into effect. So let's now press the home key, and let me now start the tdoctoruk screensaver manager. Here we are. I can now click on launch application. So very, very easy to use. On the right hand side, we can see whichever screensavers are detected. So we can go for some default one, basic colors, but in my example, I'm going to go for aerial views. Let's click on that. And over here, you can specify the time. So 15 minutes before the screensaver starts, and also 15 minutes before my device goes to sleep. So in this demonstration, for the purpose of the demonstration, let me set this to 1 minute. Go to next, and we can leave the sleep as 15 minutes. So I can now go to save. It says value saved. I can now press the home key. Now if I can just waffle on for 1 minute, we should hopefully see the screensaver. And let me just take this opportunity to say a massive thanks and welcome to my new subscribers. I've noticed a big jump in numbers recently, so welcome aboard. And also thanks to my old subscribers. In fact, do leave me a comment below and let me know how long you've been watching the Tech Doctor UK channel. But I really do appreciate your support. And if you haven't subscribed and you're thinking about subscribing, let me just say that if you are interested in Firestick tutorials, the latest Android TV tips and tricks, streaming applications, just really how to get the most from your streaming device, then please think about subscribing and sharing this video and liking this video. I really don't have anything else to say, and I'm just hoping that the screensaver starts just like that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. As you can see, we now have a custom screensaver on our 4K Firestick Max. I would recommend setting a minimum time of 5 minutes, because I think when I set this down to 1 minute before, it does sometimes cause problems. So go for a minimum of 5 minutes, and definitely when the time is up, the screensaver will start and you'll be able to enjoy these beautiful scenes. And if you're not happy with the scene, just press the right on the remote and we're now looking at this Yosemite National Park. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.